These are knot tying methods passed down from ancient times. The last one is almost lost to history. The first one is for towing a car. You use this towing knot. Watch closely, like this. Then wrap it around once more. After wrapping, pass it through this loop. Pull it tight and it's done. After towing, just pull the rope and it comes right off. The second one is the firewood bundling knot. By wrapping and threading, loose branches can be tightened together. The third one is the soup bag knot. It seals extremely well. No matter how you shake it, nothing spills out. The fourth one is the vegetable bundling knot passed down for thousands of years. You only need one straw. Wrap it a few times like this. The method is simple. You'll get it at a glance. It's often used in our daily life. That's why it's still around today. The fifth one is the carrying pole knot. Look closely. Fold one end of the rope and keep the other end straight. Wrap it around twice like this. Pull out a loop from underneath, then stack the two loops together. Insert the pole and you can lift and carry it. Super simple and practical. The sixth one. Many people connect thick and thin ropes like this, but once force is applied, it easily comes loose. This is the correct way. Even if the rope breaks, the knot won't loosen. First, fold the thick rope in half, then pull the thin rope upward. Wrap it around the thick rope twice. Fold the rope end once more, then pass it through this loop. The more you pull, the tighter it gets. The seventh one is the long-distance grabbing knot. Fold the rope in half and loop it over a stick. Fold the shorter strand. Pass it through the left loop to form a noose. Wrap the main rope around the secondary rope. Pass it through the left loop and tighten it. The loop size is adjustable. When something falls into a narrow space, you can tie it to a long stick and retrieve it from a distance. An extremely practical knot. It can be a lifesaver at critical moments. The eighth one is the windproof hanging hook knot. Easy to tie, strong and secure. Perfect for hanging items or drying clothes. The ninth one. Many people like to tie bags this way. First, a simple knot, then a slip knot. It's hard to tighten properly, and it's also troublesome to untie. Here's a recommended method. Fold the rope and loop it around the bag opening. Just lock it with a slip loop. Pull hard to tighten it as much as possible. Then fold the rope end and pass it through. Pull the front rope end to lock it, fast and tight. 1 second to untie. Isn't this more convenient? The 10th one is the stake locking knot. Wrap the rope once around the wooden stake. Hold the rope down with your right hand. Pull out a loop from underneath with your left hand. Flip it over and loop it onto the stake. Then pull it tight, and it's done. Very secure. The 11th one is a handle knot my grandma taught me when it was freezing cold. Wrap the rope around the handle a few times like this. Pass the end through and tighten it. No more frozen hands. The 12th one is the hook knot. Simple, convenient, and fast. Strong and practical. The 13th one. Once you learn this, you'll never need to tie shoelaces again. Thread the laces from outside to inside. Do the same on the other side. Stand these two small loops upright. Fold one lace in half and pass it through the loops. Fold the other lace and pass it through as well. The result is simple and looks great. No more tying your shoes 800 times a day. The 14th one, a double loop storage knot. First, tie a simple knot at the end. Hold the main rope with your right hand. Pull out a loop from the knot with your left hand. Alternate hands and keep pulling until the rope is finished. Any rope you use can be stored this way. Really convenient and practical. Finally, pass the rope end through both loops. No matter where you throw it, it won't tangle. When you need it, just pull the end out. Save it if you haven't mastered it yet, and learn it slowly.